Okay, your GP, any question to ask? If no question to ask, then following week we will do how to say the PBD on the GP lah, huh? Okay, so I will share. Okay, can see textbook. Someone on the mic?
Can, teacher.
Okay. If you have your textbook with you, this is page 155, 53, sorry. Okay, I want you to look at this part. Okay, you can go through a while. Okay, this is the one I want to mention. If you do experiment, okay, because you are science stream student, so your physics, chemistry, your bio, okay, always you will need to do experiment. Okay, so after you do the experiment, you have the data, then always you will need to plot the graph. Okay, so but sometimes actually the result should be come to a straight line. Okay, but because this is experiment, so the result may be valid a little bit, not a perfect result. Okay, therefore you need to do this. Okay, you need to uh, present your real result, okay, by using a line of best fit lah. Okay, so I am going to go through very fast what's the meaning of this line of best fit lah. Okay. You don't worry, I will come back to all this. Okay, I just want to show you what's the meaning of this line of best fit. Maybe your chemistry you have learned this. Okay, you look at this. Okay, so you see one point is not on the line. Okay, but others point are all fall on the line. Okay, this one we call line of best fit. Okay, see other example. Okay, look at this. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 3 point is not on the line. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 point are on the line. Okay, these 3 point not fall on the line. Okay, 1 point is above the line and 2 points are below the line. Okay, so this one we can say is distributed equally. Okay, at the two sides of the line. Okay, so this is also a line of best fit. Okay, we see others. Okay, this one. Okay, if you see same thing, 3 points not fall on line, 1 point, sorry, 2 points should be 2 point above and 1 point below. Okay, this one also we say this is a line of best fit. Okay, this one same thing. Okay, miss one line, sorry, miss 1 point, and then that point is above the line. Okay, this one same. Okay, miss 1 point. Okay. Okay, so this is a line of best fit lah. Okay, so this is what we're going to learn for this chapter. Okay. Okay, so you write the index for today, lines of best fit, okay, index for today. Today is what? 24th. Okay.
Teacher must use which book?
Oh, thanks for reminding. Because this is new chapter, so we change to another books. Previous chapter you're using which book?
MS1.
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 Okay, so now, so this one you use MS2. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, then we start. Okay, linear and non-linear relation. Okay, so we look at this. Okay, this part is quite simple. Okay, you just look at this equation and these equations. Okay, so if you sketch a graph, okay, this one quadratic, okay, the shape of the graph will be a parabola. Okay, then the coefficient for the x squared is positive, so it's a smiling face, so it's a U shape. Okay, so for this is y equals to ms plus c, so this is straight line. Okay, this is straight line. So this one we don't do this activity. Okay, you just know for this, because this is quadratic, so this is not linear. Okay, this is straight line, so this is linear. Okay, that's all only. They want you to differentiate what is linear and non-linear. This is very simple. Okay, so this one we don't I don't want to do much on this. Okay, you just look at this. The graph which form a straight line is a linear, so it's very simple. This one I think you know. Even you don't want to make a notes, it's okay for me. Okay, then does not form a straight line is non-linear. So it's so very simple. Okay. Okay, then you have to know linear graph, you have this. Okay, y equal ms plus c. Okay, then what is the m and what is the c? Okay, m is the gradient, c is the y-intercept. Okay. We look at this example. Okay, this one, the how to say, the equation is not given, but the point is given. Okay, then you just draw the graph. Okay, this one, after you draw the graph, okay, you will see something like this and something like this. Okay, then they ask this is linear or not. Okay, so from the definition just now, it say it's straight line, then it's the linear. Okay, if not straight line, then it's not a linear. So graph A, okay, non-linear, okay, because it's a curve, not straight line. Okay, B, linear, because it's a straight line. Okay, so this is very simple. Okay, this one also no need to do. Okay, we just go through now, okay, verbally. Okay. Okay, which one is a linear? Okay, so it's very simple. Okay, straight line is a linear, therefore B is a linear. Okay, then the reason is because this is straight line. Okay, then look at number 2. Number 2 we don't do because no graph. Okay, unless you want to go and draw the graph. Okay, this one no need to do. Okay, if this one you draw the graph is straight line, then it's linear. Okay, that's all. Okay, now we straight away go to second parts already. Okay, what is the line of best fit now? Okay, today index or today title. Okay, you see okay, a line of best fit is a straight line that join most of the point plotted on the graph. So this is the key. Most of the point, you got to join most of the point. And then second key is at the second sentence. The point which are not on the line of best fit must be distributed evenly. Sorry, distributed evenly on the both sides of the straight line. Okay, so there are two keywords here. Okay, this one you can make a notes. Okay, this one you can write it as a notes. Okay. Okay, now we look at this second example. Table on the right show the value obtained from experiment involving two variables x and y. Plot the graph of y against x. Okay, by using suitable scale on the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, hence draw the line of best fit. Okay, so this one afterwards you need to do. Okay, and then this one they ask you to draw. Okay, this one you have to use graph paper. Okay, after I go through with you, okay, the exercise, the homework that you need to do. Okay, so first thing you need to use a suitable scale. Okay, but this suitable scale, I will give you. I'm not sure I can give you or not. If someone can tell me, no, this one I don't have it. Okay, because you are my second year of teaching. So my first year of teachings, some I got write down the suitable skill. Okay, but this one I didn't write. So you have to tell me afterwards. If anyone do already, can tell me. Okay, what suitable skill? Okay, but for these questions is if this is you need for. Hello, are you still there? Someone on the mic? Can hear me?
Yes, can teacher.
I can hear something, but I don't know what is that. Something, some
Teacher,
sound.
a little bit.
Is the what?
Just now lag a little bit.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay, we continue. Okay, so here the suitable skill. Okay, if the question didn't give you the skill, okay, you have to think of a suitable skill. Okay, after we will discuss it. Okay, and then after that you plot the point. Okay, so you see x axis you have a 2 and then until 9. Okay, because they didn't give you the range. Okay, so you have to pandai-pandai sendiri adjust. Okay, so you start from 0 until 10. Okay, and then here y-axis is 0.9 until 2.3. So here they start from 0 until 2.5. Okay, and then if I don't know whether have this kind of case or not. Some of the y value is very how to say, maybe it start from 100 to let's say 120. Okay, so actually the y you don't want to start from 0 is okay, but the x you must start from 0. Okay, it's because always this kind of question you want the y-intercept. You need the y-intercept because your equation is y equals to mx plus c. That c is from your y-intercept. Therefore, for you to get the y-intercept, okay, your x must be 0. So your x must always start from 0. Okay, but your y not necessarily start from 0. Okay, this one you have to make a note. Okay. Okay, after you plot point by point, then you use your ruler. Okay, and then the ruler I want you to use for this topic. You need to use a transparent and then a long ruler. Okay, 30 centimeter. Now stationery shop not open yet. Okay, once stationery shop open already, you got to buy a long ruler. Okay, and then transparent. Okay, maybe you cannot get that transparent ruler, the whole transparent one, the half transparent one. Half transparent one, then sometime the other side will block it lor. Okay, why I say you need a transparent ruler is because when you put your ruler here, you will see, you will miss how many point above the line and below the line. Okay, if your ruler is not transparent, a bit difficult for you to see. Okay, this is a purpose you need to use a transparent ruler. And then why I need you to have a longer ruler, because I know that mostly you have 15 centimeter and not 20 centimeter. Seldom you're going to bring a 30 centimeter ruler to school. Okay, but when exam and then when this kind of topic okay, then you got to have this type of ruler 30 centimeter, because we are going to use one whole page of your graph paper. For this chapter, I don't know how. Do you have graph paper, dear? Do you have graph paper at home? Anyone have the problem? No graph paper at home? Say now. If not, when I mark your book, you are not using graph paper. I will ask you. You don't have? Do you have one? Creatinia, do you have one? One also don't have, is it? Your sibling? Your parents? Okay, for those, you have a limited graph paper. maybe you only have a few, maybe 2 or 3 pieces only. My advice is a photostat. If your, how to say, that one called what? Your printer can be used as a photostat. You photostat means keep your 2, 3 the original graph paper. Okay, don't use it. Okay, photostat. Okay, and then for those don't have even one, okay, I will send you a soft copy of the graph paper. You print it out. I don't know how bad or how good is the quality. Okay, but for this chapter you have got 2 more left. Okay, good. Then Critinia, you don't use that 2 more left, You try to photostat it. Okay, it sounds funny lah, but now the stationery shop, I don't know when we will open, but you need to do you need to do the homework. Okay, and then I don't want you all to use small uh, size of the graph. Okay, I want you to use a whole page for one question, one page. Okay, this is why I say the suitable skill is very important. Okay, I want to train you now for exam. There's no way for you to use half of the page of the graph paper, no way. Okay, always we are using a full page. Okay, if you have a problem uh, to get a suitable skill or what, then we will discuss afterwards. I remember there are problem in the textbook questions that to get a suitable skill, but I don't know which questions. So you all have to WhatsApp me. Okay, tell me. Okay. So we come back here. Okay, so you see how this one. Okay, this one we want to get the lines of best fit. Is not that easy sometimes. Okay, if you lucky get simple questions, means all the point fall on the line, then settle lah. Okay, if not, your answer may be different from your friend's answer, but also both are accept as best fit. Okay, as long as you follow just now that 2 conditions. Okay, which is most of the point fall on the line, number 1. Second, okay, the point that not fall on the line distributed evenly at the both side. Okay, if you fulfill these 2, then it's called best fit already. Okay, your answer may be different from your friend's answer. Okay, one more thing, very important, and always the student will miss out this. Okay, I don't know. Maybe you can suggest to me what punishment can I give if you forget this. Okay, you see or not? Actually, the first point is here. Okay, always the student will join the first point to the last point, then stop already. This part, they didn't do. In this part you didn't do, how you going to get your y-intercept? But they got answer for y-intercept. Don't know come from where. Surprising me. Okay, so this part is very important. Okay, means you put your ruler. Okay, you're going to draw already. One shot draw until you cross the y-axis. Okay, cross y-axis. This one you make a note. Okay, please. Okay. So this is my explanations. Okay, for the line of specific. Okay, next. Okay, this one I will skip. This one they use a software called Desmos, okay, to draw the line. Okay, this one actually is like example we're not going back to school. Okay, then they want to ask you to draw line still. Then maybe they can use this software to ask you to draw line. Easy actually. Okay, so we will go to this exercise. Okay, this one will be your homework. So 2 questions here. So 2 graph. Remember, whole full page for each questions. Okay. This one got no skill given. They write suitable skill. Okay, so after that we can after you start drawing, okay, we can discuss the skill. If I see your skill is okay, then I will share with a friend. Okay, if nobody share with me, then you're pandai already. Yeah. Okay, I hope anyone, start drawing already, then can share with me your skill. Okay, then I can share with your friend so that everyone have the same skill. Okay, usually, I say usually, the exam, they will give you the skill. Okay, they will not say using suitable skill. Then different student give different using different skill. Then the answer may be not that same actually. Okay, it can very quite a lot. Okay. Okay, next this one. Where's the question they will ask in paper 1. Okay, paper 2 they will ask you to draw, okay, on the graph paper, uh, the the line of best fit. Okay, but paper 1 no. Okay, this is old format lah. I don't know new format. Okay, we got to wait for next year March. Then only we will know. Okay, luckily you are not the first batch. Okay. Okay, we want to form the equation of the lines of the best fit, which is y equals to mx plus c, because the lines of best fit is a straight line. Okay, so straight line, okay, the equation is y equals to mx plus c. Okay, by using any 2 points on the straight line. Okay, we look at this example. Okay, why you see this equation, the y and the x is a capital letter. Okay, this is to differentiate the original equations here, the small y and the small x here. Okay, so remember, okay, this capital letter y and capital letter x is represent this. Okay, this is capital letter y and this is capital letter x. Okay, means now you set the capital letter x as 1 over x, and then you set the capital letter y as 1 over y. Okay, because these equations, this straight line, okay, if you want to write this is 1 over y and 1 over x is quite confusing. So you temporarily, okay, make this y-axis be the capital letter Y, and the x-axis, the horizontal axis, be the capital letter X. Okay, so your equation temporarily leave it as a y, capital letter Y equals to m capital letter X plus C. Afterwards, okay, only replace the capital letter Y with here, the 1 over y, and capital letter X with this, which is 1 over x. Okay, then not so confusing. Okay, because sometimes this and this can be quite complicated. Okay, so it's disturbing. Okay, so we temporarily leave it as a capital letter Y and capital letter X. This is the reason. Okay, so now we start. Okay, actually it's the same thing. Okay, this one you have learned. I think so. Did you learn the gradient? Someone on the mic. Did you learn the gradient as y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1? I don't. Yeah. Do you remember which form you learned this?
Last year.
Last year, form 3 lah, Okay. Do you learn y equals to mx plus c then?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So if anything you didn't learn before, you please let me know. I mean, not to say you go for outside tuition for MS for this year. Okay, like the previous year you didn't learn it before, then you let me know. Okay, so 2 points. Okay, you will be able to find the gradient. Okay, so you can set this one is x1, y1, and then this is x2 and then y2. Okay, so y2 minus y1, so it's 20 minus 7. Okay, x2 minus x1, so it's 19 minus 1. Okay, this is 13. Okay, then this is 18. Okay, can I just leave it? It cannot be simplified. and then don't want it to be decimal. Okay, can just leave it. Okay, I think decimal is an infinite decimal, but I'm not sure. Okay, then after that, okay, how to get the C? Okay, if here they are you can see clearly, or they plot for you clearly, what is the y-intercept? I mean the capital letter Y, okay, the capital letter y-intercept, then okay. But here actually you can't see it clearly. You cannot agak-agak one, okay. There's nothing as you can do like estimation and then get the value. Okay, don't do that. Okay, so what you can do is you substitute inside here. Y equals to mx plus c. Okay, so you see, because you have already let this is capital letter X and Y. So this one actually is a capital letter X and Y, and this one also is capital letter X and Y. It's not this small letter X and Y. Okay, this one you have to pay attention. Okay, therefore you can substitute X, capital letter X as 1, capital letter Y as 7 here. You have to know what you should substitute. Is the small letter or capital letter? Okay, then the gradient is 13 over 18. Okay, plus C. Okay, here you can get the C. Okay, by using these equations. Okay, so C is equal to this one minus. Okay, you get 113 over 18. Let me try. 7 minus. Okay, correct. Okay, if you are using this 1920, this pair of x and y value, also you'll get the same thing. Okay. So not yet finished. Okay, so I have get my x and y. Okay, next. Okay, I write it out. Y is equal to m x plus c. Okay, but they want this. Okay, small letter. They don't want the capital letter X and Y. Okay, so you replace the capital letter Y with 1 over Y. Capital letter X with 1 over X. 113 over 18. Okay, express Y, Y must be the title. They don't want 1 over Y as title. Okay, so you continue. Okay, how to rearrange it? Try to make it these two become a single fraction, and only you can turn it upside down, because this one when you turn it upside down become y over 1, which is the y already. Okay, so this one will be what? Times x times x. Okay, so bottom common denominator 18x. Okay, so it's 13,113x. Okay, now turn it upside down. So y is equal to 18x 13. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, express y in terms of the x. Okay, so this is the final answer. You see this example so difficult, I think when you do exercise, it's quite simple. I'm not sure. I think so. Okay, again, draw graph. Okay, this table, okay, show the value of x and y. Okay, plot. This one, the scale given, you see. Okay, if the scale given, you got to exactly follow the scale. Okay. Okay, so for the x-axis, you follow the scale, 1 centimeter to 1 unit. For y-axis, you follow this 1 centimeter to 2 units. 1 centimeter to 1, this one 1 centimeter to 2. Okay, from the graph, okay, draw the line. So you follow the step just now, you get the axis ready, you plot all the points, and then you draw the best fit, okay, and then only answer for part B and C. Okay, from the graph, okay, find the y-intercept and the gradient of the line of best fit. So this is from the graph. Okay, so your answer may be different a little bit from your friend answer or from the book answer. This is because everyone, the lines of best fit may be not exactly the same. Okay, so for this, after you draw already, you get the y-intercept. Okay, this one you can straight away read from the graph. You don't do like just now, substitute. Okay, after get the gradient, substitute. No, you don't do like just now because they say from the graph. If you do like just now, substitute using the y equals to mx plus c to get your c, is wrong because the instructions saying that from the graph, find the y-intercept means you got to read it from your graph. This is what I say. For those didn't draw this part and yet can get the y-intercept, that is a very, very big question mark. Okay, so now you see the answer, y-intercept, the C is 2 because it one shot you draw and then continue, okay, until it cross the y-axis. Okay, so here is 2. You read from the graph, you get 2, not by using the y equals to mx plus c. No. Okay, the gradient the same. Okay, you take 2 points. Okay, that fall on the line. Okay, and then the 2 point must be apart as far as you can. Okay, so you normally we'll take the first and the last point. Okay, so you see this. Okay, first and the last point, are they fall on the line? Yes, you take these 2 points. If they are not fall on the line, then don't take. Okay, but you see here, they take which point? Okay, 220. Oh, they take here. Okay, 7.64, they take this point, and 20, they take this point. Can also, you see, okay, this is the, how to say, fully utilized. Okay, the first and very first actually, but this is not the point from the table. Okay, also can, no problem. Okay, then you get the gradient. Okay, next, determine the equation of the line of best fit. Okay, so this is the equation. This is simple because here the capital letter Y is a small y, capital letter X is a small x. Okay, so it's very simple. Okay, so Y equals to n, gradient is 1.4, x plus 2. 2 is the y-intercept. So this is another homework for you. You see, this is what I say, like example 3 just now. That one is more complicated. Okay, this one you see so simple because here is t and the x. They want t and the x. They don't involve the capital letter Y and the x. Okay, I think these questions are okay. Then look at number 2. Number 2 again, you need to draw a graph. Okay, so far you have got 3 graphs to draw already. This one, the scale is given, so you got to follow the scale given. You can go some more. This one, interpret. Okay, information based on the lines of best fit. Okay, this one same thing. Okay, go through this paragraph. Okay, this one is about your experiment actually. Okay, this one means sometimes you already have some data, but you want to continue to predict, okay, some of the value of your variable. Okay, so your graph or your equation, okay, actually may help you, okay, to get the prediction done. Okay, so this is the meaning. Okay, we look at this example. You see log. my student all don't like log. Okay, then they see this chapter 1 again got log pensan. Okay, so you have a x and log y. So they want you to plot the log y against x. Okay, you just follow here. Okay, and then using the scale. Okay, after that, draw the line of best fit. Okay, so we show here. Okay, so log y is here. Okay, x is here. Okay, using the scale given, okay, and then plot and then draw the line for best fit. Same thing, remember, okay, must extend and cross the capital letter Y axis. Here, you got to write it as capital letter Y and capital letter X. After that, only replace it with the log Y and the small x. To the questions. Okay, from the graph, find the value of log Y when x is 0.9. Okay, so go back to the graph. Okay, x is 0.9. Okay, so here, x is 0.9. Okay, then you draw dotted line. Don't draw it solid. Solid is only for this, your answer. The other line that you want to do as a working, and then you must do as working. If not, they will ask, where's the working? How do you get the answer? Okay, so dotted line, when you touch the straight line, okay, bend, okay, horizontal line, okay, same thing, dotted, and then touch the capital letter Y axis, which is your log Y. Okay, so log Y is 2. Okay, be careful with the questions. They're asking for log Y or they're asking for Y. If they're asking for Y, one more step. Y is equal to anti-log 2, and then press calculator, get answer. Okay, since these questions are asking for log Y, stop here. Okay. 2. Okay, find the value of Y when x is 0. You see here or not? Before this question, they say what? Form the graph. So everything is read from the graph. Nothing to do with the equations. Okay, so find the value of Y when x is 0. Okay, so when x is 0, okay, they want the value of the Y. Okay, so when x is 0, here they cross at, I'm not very sure, they say 0.2, I think so lah. Okay, so here two small boxes is 0.1. Okay, I think this is at the fourth boxes, so it's 0.2. Okay, you see log Y is 0.2, but they are not asking for log Y, they are asking for Y. Okay, the student tend to make mistake. Okay, always this kind of questions, they will say, right, Y equals to 0.2, finish. Habis cerita. Cannot okay, because this axis is log Y. Okay, so you are reading for log Y is 0.2 when you read from the graph. Okay, then after that only you press calculator to get the value of the Y. Okay, this 10 to power of 0.2 is same as the anti-log 0.2. Okay, okay, now we go to part 3. Find the value of x when log Y equals to 2. Okay, so log Y equals 2. Find the value of the x. Same now. 0.9 long. No, correct 0.9. This and this the same. Okay. Then part 4. Okay, find the value of x when Y is 20. Y is 20. Not log Y is 20. If you see log Y is 20, mana ada? Here is only until 2. Don't have 20. Okay. So you got to start with Y is 20. Then find the log 20. Okay. So log 20, you press calculator, you get 1.3. Only you read from the graph 1.3. Okay. 1.3 you read here. The x is 0.56. Okay. Now we go to part C. Okay, find the equation of the lines of best fit. Then same thing. You read from the graph, okay, the y-intercept, and then you read from the graph, what's that? The gradient, okay, the 2 points, and then find the gradient, okay, and then get the equations, okay. This one, they want the equation of the line of best fit. I don't think they need it, y, express y in terms of x scope. Just leave it at log y. Okay, you see, you just leave it at log y, okay. So means this is your capital letter y, and this is your capital letter x, okay. Just afterwards, just change it to log y and then x. Okay, so we start. 2 points are selected from the graph, okay. So same thing, they select which point, 0.7 and 0.3. Actually, it's quite near. 0.7 is here, 0.3 is here. The 2 points they choose is actually quite near. Actually, if you choose the 2 points are not that far away, your answer, I'm not sure actually. It should be okay lah. But always we will advise the student, you choose 2 points, not to be so near, okay. And then get the gradient, okay. Then from here, the y-intercept is 0.2, okay, because of this also, because x is 0 and then this is 0.2, so y-intercept is 0.2. You see, they don't write y-intercept the small y. If you write the small y, actually it's wrong. It should be capital letter Y, okay. Then you write in this way, y equals to mx plus c, this capital. So this is so this is y equals to m is 2 and then c is 0.2. Only you change the capital letter y to the log y, and then the capital letter x as the small x, okay. Then this is the final answer. Because this question, they didn't ask you to express y in terms of x. If they ask you to express y in terms of x, then you got to how to do? Bring the 10 to the other side, okay. How? Express y in terms of x, okay. You still remember this is log form, change to index form, so y equals to 10 to power of 2x plus 0.2. This is the answer. Okay, finish. This is another one. Just now 3 graph ready, is it? So I think this is the 4th graph. Okay, you need to do. Okay, same thing. Okay, then this one don't do yet. Okay, 4 graph is quite a lot already. Okay. Okay, any questions for me? Okay, if no questions, then we just stop here. Okay, you all can see the first, the AP, the PBD, the arithmetic progression PBD. That one I have marked already. I have written already. So when I'm free, I will look into your second PBD or the AP. Okay, so same thing, every tutorial times, I don't want to remind you, can or not? We just fix, okay, unless it's other things else, okay. So we just fix what to say, every time tutorial time is a PBD, okay. We will do PBD, okay. Because I think